Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 24 of the Practice What I Preach series. And in this video, I'm just doing a pull workout. So the workout's on the screen, and obviously the journal is at the end where you can see the sets, reps, and weights that I use. And in this video, I just want to go through why I believe physio was my career choice and why I picked it over any other kind of discipline that I did. And the main reason is because of its evidence-based practice. Okay, so physiotherapy is an evidence-based practice. We pretty much use and we review science constantly to make sure that we only provide what's most optimal and what's proven to work with my patients. So I'm a health provider and my job is threefold. So I look after musculoskeletal issues, which is my main field. I also look at chest physio, which is just looking after your lungs and your heart health. And we also focus on neural rehabilitation. So any kind of post-stroke injuries or traumatic brain injuries, we also have a look at that. And the reason I focused on this more than any other kind of discipline is because we review science. So for those who are kind of controversial about like what science actually is, science, or the way I kind of view science is we try to find things that work and things that don't work. So if you imagine you meet up with your mate and your mate's like, oh, try this pill, it does wonders, I got my energy back. So obviously at the moment you've only got the kind of the experience of one person. But then what if you go to a restaurant and then a random person's like, oh, tried the same pill, it gives me a lot of energy. So now you have like two people kind of saying the same story about this pill. So what evidence or what science is we use analysis and meta-analysis. So we pretty much go through studies, which is a group of people doing certain things to get the same result. So that's the same as saying get 1,000 random people that have no relationship to each other going up to you and telling you, try this pill, it gives me a lot of energy. So obviously if 1,000 people are telling you the same thing, you're going to start to realize that, okay, maybe this pill is going to give me energy. And that's what physio is. So we do our specific techniques and our things because there have been multiple studies and research done on that specific technique that has shown and proved that it works. Okay. And long story short, physio is exercise. You have to exercise and stretch and all that kind of stuff. That's the only thing that's going to keep you healthy. So out of doing physio for 10 years now, the main thing is if you're not exercising or moving, you're going to end up with a whole lot of issues that I will end up looking after in the future. And I'll be telling you exactly the same thing I'm telling you right now. Just go do some exercise, some stretches, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what science is. Science is a bunch of people saying that I don't think this works, and they do a bunch of tests to prove that it doesn't work, and then when they find something that works, then we use it. And it's just a way of kind of advancing ourselves systematically into the future. So a bit of a shorter video, just wanted to get this off my mind, and that's why I choose physio, because we're science based. So if you like what I'm doing, please consider leaving a like or subscribing. I hope you're well, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, take care.